Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you how you can blur your photo on iPhone. So there's two kinds of blurring. You can take your photo on portrait mode and your photo will be automatically blurred, and there's the second one which I'll be showing you later in the video, so stay in. So we are going to use this photo as an example, and so as you can see, it was taken in portrait mode. All you have to do is click edit on the top right corner of your screen, and you'll see the portrait filter, and you can click it on the top of the screen and the blur was removed, and you can bring it back. And that's the first kind of blur. As I mentioned, you take a photo on portrait mode and your photo will be automatically blurred. And the second one is where you click on the top right corner of your screen, click edit, and you can see the marker icon on the top right corner of your screen, and you just have to click that icon and it will bring a range of tools, a range of brushes that you can use to brush your photo. And you can just block something in the view that you don't want the viewer to see. So all you have to do is click on the brush and paint on your photo, increase the opacity all the way up to 100%, and you can just blur on your photo, just brush, and as you can see, I have blurred my photos. And that's how you do it, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe for more content like this.